What's up, Pokemon fans? Welcome back to another mystery power box opening, and we had a few other mystery power box openings, but they weren't. I mean, they were pretty good, decent. They weren't like outstanding or awesome or insanely, but yeah, they were decent though. So, no vintage pack yet. So we're still hoping to pull one, but you know, as the pull rates go, only one every 20 bucks. And when Leonhardt opened, he bought like 20 of them, and then he didn't get a single vintage within those 20. So I mean, you have to be really lucky to get one within 20, but you know, sometimes that's not the case though. So we are gonna dig right into this. We're gonna go from the bottom because it's the easiest way to get in. Okay, so let's get this bottom opened, and we will begin with the window pack, and that is a Primal Clash. A Primal Clash. What are the odds about that? Primal Clash. Alright, next pack. Well, let's just take it all packs. So we got Fierce Fist, Roaring Skies, and a Roaring Sky. Ooh, we got 2 Roaring Skies. Nice. And of course, a coin. So no vintage in this. And I think I hit the camera. Yes, baby. No need socks, honey. No need socks. You like wear socks? No need wear socks, baby. Okay, so put the coin aside, and we will go like this with the Roaring Skies last, because Roaring Skies is awesome. All right. So here we go. First pack, Primal Clash. Oh, before I get into this pack, hold on. I have a few codes aside from the ones that I have in the packs that I'm gonna give to you folks right now. Well, not all at once, but whoever gets it, congratulations to you. But here's the first code. Fates collide, guys. So whoever gets that, enjoy the code. All right. Oh, what am I doing? 3 cards in the front, and we got ourselves a Lombre, Acrobike, awesome, Masquerain, Phoebus, Mudkip, Spheo, Shroomis, Zagoon, a Macargo, and a Metachan. What, baby? What you want? Go. Oh, it's charging, baby. Look. It's charging. Oh, here, have it then. Here. My daughter wants the phone. Can you believe that? She's only 2 years old and she wants a phone. Oh my goodness. What did my wife do to her? Next pack, Furious Fist. So whatever you hear from her, that's because she's on YouTube right now, and that is not mine. So I apologize for anything that you may hear in the background. Focus slash sash, not slash. Amura, Super Scoop Up, Electabuzz, Gothita, Makuhita, Lickitung, Poliwag, a Hypno Reverse Rare, and a Halucha EX. Wow. I haven't seen this card in a while. When Furious Fist Well, not when First Fist, but maybe a few months after First Fist came out, I bought like a few blisters and packs, and I would pull a Halucha every single time in a blister. I don't know why. I mean, it got kind of annoying later on because I would always be pulling Haluchas. I was like, damn, can I pull anything else besides a Halucha? But yeah, now it's like it's kind of nice to see him again. So, alright, guys. Here's the next Fates Collide code. Hope you guys can see that. Whoever gets that, congratulations. Did I do a pack trick? I don't know. Fighting Stadium. Oh no, I did. Pancham. 2 Retriever. Trapinch. Pancham. Pancham? We got 2 Panchams. Torchic. Clefairy. Pikachu. A Beartic. Reverse rare. And a Flagon. Non-holo rare. Alright. On to the first of the Roaring Skies packs in this mystery power box. Alright. Let's go. Hey, what you doing? Go out in the living room, baby. Gliscor. Switch. Tropius. Shubbit. Togepi. Nincada. Dunsparce. Wingull. A reverse Spearow. And again, if you hear any songs or whatever in the background, that is not mine. I do not own it. And my daughter is actually on the phone on YouTube, so she is watching that. So I apologize for that. Alright, last Roaring Skies. Can we get something good out of this? Can we get a Shaman, man? Can we get a Shaman? Or a Secret Rare via Seeker or Trainer's Mail? That'll be awesome, guys. That'll be really awesome. Okay, so here it is. Final pack of this mystery power box. Mega Turbo, Fearow, Pelipper, Dunsparce, Spearow, Natu, Nincada, Gligar, a reverse Electrike, and the last card, the last rare is Dragonite, non-holo rare. So we didn't pull much. Here's the last code if you watched all the way through. Enjoy this code. Alright. We only managed to pull a Halucha, which is very, very sad. Oh well, it happens. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this mystery power box opening. If you have, please leave a like. If you did not, sorry, but there's nothing I can do about it. I can't control the pulls that we get in this, so yeah. Alright, so if you are new, please subscribe for more Pokemon openings. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but the fact that he put a Halucha EX, yeah. Oh well. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one later.